अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं बिल्किस आ रहा हूँ BMS लैंगेट स्कूल से। तो आज हम एक्सरसाइज करेंगे वाटर चैप्टर का जो 7th क्लास का था। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज़ द apparatus यूज्ड फॉर द इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस ऑफ वाटर कॉल्ड। तो उस apparatus को बोलते हैं इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक सेल। व्हाट्स द वॉल्यूम रेशियो फॉर हाइड्रोजन टू ऑक्सीजन इन वाटर? It is 2:1, 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. At what temperature does water change into steam? It is 100 degree. At what temperature does water can change into ice? It is 0 degree Celsius. At what temperature is the density of water maximum? It is 0 degree to 4 degree Celsius. What's the composition of water? Water contains 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Which is lighter, water or ice? Ice is lighter because it floats on surface of water. Name the largest source of water on earth. It is snow on mountains which melts during summer. Name a liquid which is heavier than water. It is mercury or oil. Name a chemical which is used to kill germs in water. The chlorine is used, or the bleaching powder which also contains chlorine in it. Then the question number 2 is fill in the blanks. Water helps us in the dispersal of seeds and fruits. About 97% of water is in the seas. The property of solubility and fluidity makes water useful in the process of digestion. The human body has about 70% of water by weight. Seed cannot germinate without water. Removing dissolved salts from saline water is called desalination. The process of using electricity to split water molecule is called electrolysis. Then number 8, the density of liquid water is 1 gallon per cc. Then is the 9th, the density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. Then 10, the freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius. Then is another question. It's a statement which you have to tell whether it's true or false. Okay, the first one is ice has lower density than water. Yes. Rainwater is the purest form of water. It is true. The solubility of gases in water increases with the increase in temperature. It is false. During the summer, the amount of oxygen dissolved in water is increased and fish die. No, it decreases. That's why fishes die. Pure water tastes sweet. Pure water has no taste at all. The use of fertilizers pollutes water. It is true. The ratio of oxygen to hydrogen in water is 2:1. It is wrong. It's false. Why? Because oxygen is only water molecule contain only 1 atom of oxygen, 2 atoms of hydrogen. So it's also wrong. Then is the states of water are interchangeable. It's also true because water can change into ice and also can change into vapors. It depends on the temperature, what the temperature is. If the temperature increases up to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils and starts evaporating, and if the temperature is below 0 degrees Celsius, it starts freezing. Okay, so it is interchangeable. That's all for today. Assalamu alaikum.